I bought this impact driver, but it's totally there. Let's see what's wrong. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? No sales, no ball to sell.
A few moments later.
We need 8.4 volts to run this motor, which means to 18650 cells. But here's the problem. They don't fit. The inside of this handle is sparked with thick structural ribs. So how do we cram them in? Simple. We make room. You know, I want to make friends with people from all over the world. Leave a comment below so I can get to know you. I'm always looking forward to hearing your comments and suggestions for future videos. Now that the housing is clear, let's grab the power plant. Belly paper on the positive terminal is non-negotiable. When a tool pulls this much current, chip-plated steel will just melt. I'm strictly 0.15 mm pure nickel to lock these two cells in series. To keep this spark from over-discharging and dying permanently, I'm wiring up a micro to SBMS. These solder joints need to be thick and solid because this tool takes a beating. Before we wire up the brands, we need to bulletproof this part. I'm slapping some thin Eva Foam pads right over the terminals.
Oh yeah.
Subscribe to my channel to watch more interesting videos. See you again and bye bye.